Code 3D online training modules. This tutorial will show you how to navigate around the 3D space. There are several different ways in the editor to move around the Code 3D environment. You can use the on-screen navigation panel, or you can use your keyboard and mouse. If you plan to navigate with your keyboard and mouse, we recommend using a scroll wheel mouse. This allows you to use all of the functions of mouse navigation. First, we'll discuss how to navigate in the editor using the keyboard and mouse. The arrow keys can be used to move in their respective directions. Those people familiar with other computer applications may choose to use the WASD keys instead. Both of these methods work. To move forward, you can use the up arrow or the W key. To move right, you can use the right arrow or the D key. To move left, you can use the left arrow or the A key. To back up, use the back arrow or the S key. To zoom in and out, you use the plus and minus keys. Pressing plus will zoom you in, and minus will allow you to zoom out. To fly in and out, you use the scroll wheel on the mouse. Scrolling the button forward allows you to fly in. Scrolling backward will fly you out. To rotate yourself in a circular motion, you need to hold down the scroll bar on your mouse while moving the mouse right to rotate right or left to rotate yourself to the left. Sometimes you will want to center a hazard or person in your field of view. To do this, double-click on the target beneath the person or hazard, and the camera will automatically reposition itself so that the hazard or person is centered in your field of view. To center another type of object in your point of view, you only need to double-click anywhere on that object, and the camera will automatically reposition itself so that this object is centered. Now we will turn our focus to on-screen navigation. On-screen navigation is controlled through the navigation panel on the top left corner of the editor window. These icons replicate the functionality you have with your keyboard and mouse controls. The on-screen navigation panel is hidden when not in use. To access it, you roll your cursor over the small black arrow in the upper left corner of the editor window. Similar to the keyboard, the arrow keys on the navigation panel allow you to move in a given direction. To move left, you will click and hold the left arrow button that is on your screen. To move right, click and hold the right arrow button. To move forward, click and hold the up arrow button, and to move backward, you will click and hold the down arrow button that is found on your screen. On this panel, the magnifying glasses allow you to zoom in and out. Clicking the magnifying glass with a plus sign will zoom you in. Clicking the one with a minus sign will zoom you out. To fly in and out, you will use the buttons that look like paved roads. To zoom in, use the perspective button, and to zoom out, use the overhead button. If you are confused as to which is which, you can always roll your mouse over the button for a tooltip that helps identify the button. To rotate yourself to the right or left, you will use one of the rotate buttons. The arrow facing the left will rotate you clockwise, and the arrow facing right will rotate you counterclockwise. To learn how to navigate in real-time mode, please visit the Learning How to Use Real-Time Mode tutorial.